Hi, welcome to Bright Learners. Today we're learning 100 essential phrases to make your shopping trip easy and confident. Let's dive in. Section 1. Finding your way. Where is the shopping mall?
Where is the shopping mall?
Is there a map of the mall?
Is there a map of the mall?
I am looking for the department store.
I am looking for the department store.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
Where is the nearest supermarket?
Which floor is the food court on?
Which floor is the food court on?
Is there a bookstore nearby?
Is there a bookstore nearby?
How do I get to the elevator?
How do I get to the elevator?
Where is the escalator?
Where is the escalator?
Is there a restroom here?
Is there a restroom here?
Where is the information desk?
Where is the information desk?
I need some cash.
I need some cash.
Section 2. Browsing and selecting. What time do you open?
What time do you open?
What time do you close?
What time do you close?
I'm just looking, thanks.
I'm just looking, thanks.
Can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
I'm looking for a gift.
I'm looking for a gift.
Do you have any recommendations?
Do you have any recommendations?
Where is the women's section?
Where is the women's section?
Where is the menswear?
Where is the menswear?
Is this on sale?
Is this on sale?
Where are the new arrivals?
Where are the new arrivals?
Section 3. Size, color, and fitting room. Do you have this in a different color?
Do you have this in a different color?
I like this color.
I like this color.
Do you have this in blue?
Do you have this in blue?
Do you have a medium?
Do you have a medium?
I need a large size.
I need a large size.
Is this an extra large?
Is this an extra large?
This is too small for me.
This is too small for me.
Can I try this on?
Can I try this on?
Where is the fitting room?
Where is the fitting room?
There is a line for the fitting room.
There is a line for the fitting room.
It fits me well.
It fits me well.
It doesn't fit me.
It doesn't fit me.
It's too tight.
It's too tight.
It's too loose.
It's too loose.
Can I see it in the mirror?
Can I see it in the mirror?
Does this look good on me?
Does this look good on me?
Section 4. Price, material, and quality. How much is this?
How much is this?
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Is there a discount?
Is there a discount?
It's too expensive.
It's too expensive.
It's a bit pricey.
It's a bit pricey.
That's a good price.
That's a good price.
Is it buy one, get one free?
Is it buy one, get one free?
What's the total price?
What's the total price?
Is the tax included?
Is the tax included?
Do you have anything cheaper?
Do you have anything cheaper?
What is this made of?
What is this made of?
Is this 100% cotton?
Is this 100% cotton?
Is this real leather?
Is this real leather?
Is it machine washable?
Is it machine washable?
I like the quality.
I like the quality.
Are these durable?
Are these durable?
Does it come with a warranty?
Does it come with a warranty?
I'm looking for something waterproof.
I'm looking for something waterproof.
Is this brand good?
Is this brand good?
Section 5. Checkout, payment, and returns. I'll take this one.
I'll take this one.
I'll take both.
I'll take both.
I'd like to buy this.
I'd like to buy this.
I'll think about it.
I'll think about it.
I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure yet.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Where is the checkout?
Where is the checkout?
I'm ready to pay.
I'm ready to pay.
Can I pay by credit card?
Can I pay by credit card?
Do you accept cash?
Do you accept cash?
Can I use Apple Pay?
Can I use Apple Pay?
Here is my card.
Here is my card.
Can I have a receipt, please?
Can I have a receipt, please?
Could I have a bag, please?
Could I have a bag, please?
Could you gift wrap this, please?
Could you gift wrap this, please?
Please remove the price tag.
Please remove the price tag.
How much is on the gift card?
How much is on the gift card?
I'd like to use my coupon.
I'd like to use my coupon.
Can I exchange this?
Can I exchange this?
I'd like to return this.
I'd like to return this.
It's broken.
It's broken.
The size is wrong.
The size is wrong.
I changed my mind.
I changed my mind.
I have the receipt.
I have the receipt.
Can I get a refund?
Can I get a refund?
Section 6. Food court and other services. Can I have a combo number 2, please?
Can I have a combo number 2, please?
Can I get some napkins?
Can I get some napkins?
I'd like 2 medium coffees, please.
I'd like 2 medium coffees, please.
Can I get an iced coffee with no sugar?
Can I get an iced coffee with no sugar?
Do you have Wi-Fi here? What's the password?
Do you have Wi-Fi here? What's the password?
Is anyone sitting here?
Is anyone sitting here?
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
Can you hem these pants, please?
Can you hem these pants, please?
I need a haircut.
I need a haircut.
Do you take passport pictures?
Do you take passport pictures?
Section 7. Emergency and unexpected situations. Where is the lost and found?
Where is the lost and found?
I lost my phone.
I lost my phone.
I can't find my wallet.
I can't find my wallet.
I left my bag in the fitting room.
I left my bag in the fitting room.
Has anyone turned in a set of keys?
Has anyone turned in a set of keys?
Can you help me find my backpack?
Can you help me find my backpack?
I can't find my child.
I can't find my child.
My daughter is missing.
My daughter is missing.
Could you make an announcement?
Could you make an announcement?
Someone stole my purse.
Someone stole my purse.
There is an emergency.
There is an emergency.
The elevator is out of order.
The elevator is out of order.
The store is under renovation.
The store is under renovation.
The mall is closed today.
The mall is closed today.
And that's 100 phrases for your next mall visit. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Bright Learners for more real-life English tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy shopping!